morning, Aulani in Hawaii.
Aloha.
Veronica's enjoying her time. She's got Mickey and Minnie down there for the character dining. She's been checking them out all morning.
It was so nice. So I just came out here with my cup of coffee. I mean, I had this whole view of the ocean and the resort, but I was very distracted and just like watching Mickey and Minnie meet and greet.
I don't know if you guys can see them right about there.
Yeah. So it's been a good morning. It's been so relaxing. Today we're gonna have a water day. So we're gonna get some breakfast here soon, and then I have to make my ears, and then I think we're gonna check out like Rainbow Reef and
so it's about 9 a.m. now. We're gonna head down to Ulu Cafe, grab some breakfast. We're gonna part ways. She's gonna go build her ear, and then we're gonna reconvene, get ready, hop on the GoPro and get in the pools.
Yes,
let's
get this day going.
See you out there. Cheers.
So yeah, you have to pick the color of the ear.
So you pick out the frame color and whatnot?
Yeah, so I went with pink. So this is $25 for this whole setup.
10% off of Disney Visa?
Yes. And then they have you pick out all your flowers. You get a set of 5. You get to choose 5. And then they're going to be calling us up into the room, and then we'll assemble it.
Yep, and while she's doing that, I'm going to go do my own thing.
Yeah.
All right, see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Alright, Rainbow Reef.
Yes, it's a little chilly in here.
It's just a little chilly.
But I mean, it's saltwater fish.
We'll take our time, get in and adjust a little bit.
I'm good. I mean, it's not terrible.
It's not terrible.
It's not like California water.
Yeah. Alright, just sit here a little bit.
Okay.
Sit here a little bit, you get used to it. Okay. Alright, they say there's over 1,000 fishes in here.
Let's go!
Let's see what we can find. Veronica got herself, what is it, a Miami Vice, so it's like half pina colada and half strawberry daiquiri.
Yeah.
Nice. Can we cheers with that? No, I'll just cheers the pineapple because...
I can't.
Cheers.
But they, like, it's going to overfill, but soon I'll be able to put this on.
Yeah, the Rainbow Reef was pretty cool.
It was.
I think later this week, before we go to our luau, we're going to go to Sharks Cove, do some proper snorkeling there out in the real ocean. Apparently there are some water, some fish in the water behind us in the ocean, but I don't think it's going to be compared to Sharks Cove.
Yeah.
Plan is now we're going to eat lunch, and then we're going to hop into the Lazy River, just chill there for a bit, and then we have, I don't really have plans either for the rest of the day. Today's just a chill day, just relaxing.
Yeah, so it's like 2 o'clock now. The only thing is, it's like everything closes kind of early, so even though it's still just like midday, and we still have like all today left, everything's closing like within a few hours or so.
Yep.
So we're kind of like getting onto crunch time a little bit.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, but for now, yeah, we're just going to grab lunch and then hit the Lazy River, and then after that, we'll probably grab shaved ice and then dinner at Ulu Cafe,
And
maybe
then
get some
Dole
poke.
Whip for dessert.
Dole Whip for dessert.
Yeah.
It's been a nice day. Lazy River.
Yeah, just relax. I'm sleeping. I just drank.
I know,
pineapple.
we try not to move too much because we're just stuffed.
I know. We had a nice burger and a lot of fries, and then we had a beer that I drank from a pineapple.
Yeah.
I mean, we're feeling good now, and now we're just floating through the lazy river.
And look at this view behind you, though. You got Aulani right behind you, the big old building.
Yes.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So the only thing I've been kind of annoyed about here is that the chairs, the pool chairs, are like first come, first serve, and they probably only have like half the amount they should.
But they do have cubbies, so like when you go to Rainbow Reef, where you go snorkeling, or even here at the Lazy River, they have like little cubbies you can put your stuff in.
So if you come here, be prepared to set up early, get yourself a chair early. Freeze prayer. You gotta drink that, eat it quick.
Yeah, we couldn't like film it early or like take a photo of it without it like
It started melting right away.
immediately.
Yeah.
Like it just started, and then this is why they have a cup like this to try to hold it in. But even then, it was overflowing and just like spilling out everywhere.
Oh, but it was good
I made
though.
a miss.
That was good.
It was good. And that was really good.
I think the sweetened condensed milk made it for me.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like a creamsicle almost.
Yeah, it tastes like an orange creamsicle almost. I'd get this again.
Yeah, for sure. Good stuff. Well, it was a fun day at the pool. We both took our power naps. Veronica hers most recently.
I just woke up.
Time for dinner. Our last dinner at Aulani.
Yeah.
Tonight we're going to go to the Olelo Room, which is a bar next to Makiki, which is where we ate last night.
So this one's going to have more variety.
Yeah, this has a little bit more like, okay, maybe it's not bar food, it's a little bit more upscale bar food.
Yeah.
Popcorn fries. Should be different.
Yeah, it literally is like popcorn and fries, my favorite snacks.
So popcorn fries, it's a buttered popcorn, french fries, green onions, wasabi oil, furikake, kabariaki, kewpie mayonnaise, mochi crunch. And then these are the Hawaii Ranchers Halua sliders, all natural braised beef burger, applewood smoked bacon, aged sharp cheddar, avocado melly onion marmalade, and a sweet roll.
That sounds.
It does sound good.
Really
You got the tropical itch, but no back scratcher.
Yeah, on
It's
the
supposed to come with a
photo,
back scratcher.
it was supposed to have a back scratcher, and I didn't get one.
And I got the Kona Cliff IPA again. Cheers.
Here.
Let's try these fries.
Yeah. Well, I pretty much have a plain fry. Let me try this one.
Get the wasabi oil in there.
Oh yeah.
It's good.
I can feel it in my sinuses.
Yeah, a little bit of a kick to it.
And the popcorn?
Yeah, let's try that.
Literally popcorn.
Yeah, it's good.
You got such a dream, just right for me. Oh, hey, oh, Susiana.
It's our final night.
We just had our final dinner at Aulani.
The food was pretty good. It was different.
So we had the popcorn fries. That had a lot of like wasabi.
The wasabi oil was a little strong at points.
I don't think I would order it again. Ryan would.
Yeah, I liked it. I'm a wasabi.
And then, the burgers, the sliders.
Those were good.
So good.
I want like a full-size burger of that.
I know.
But all in all, great time here. We're definitely ready to move on and see more of Hawaii.
Yeah.
But awesome experience.
Yeah.
Good way to start the trip for sure.
Yeah. Oh, I'm glad we stayed here.
For sure. Good night. Things a little bit different this time. We're actually checking out today, so we're going to give you a little bit of a room tour. The rooms are pretty straightforward and simple, but they're very nice, and what you're paying for is the view, so we'll get to that.
So the bathroom is right by the entryway. So you get this nice vanity, a vanity mirror, and then you have the shower over here. It's very spacious. So they have like a little rack here where they keep the towels, which is nice because the towel doesn't even get wet. And plenty of room here to put all your belongings. You have a rainfall shower, and then you can either do that or the regular shower head. Yes. And then here is the toilet. So this is nice because it's separate, so you can close the door.
Separate commode.
Yeah, so somebody can be using the restroom while somebody's getting ready.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's your bathroom.
And then what's the
Here.
toiletries? Yeah, the shampoo and conditioner.
Yeah, these are my favorite parts. So it has the H2O Plus, which normally you get at the Disney resorts. This one's a little bit different, so it's Hawaiian sea salt. I think the one at Disney World is like an ocean.
Yeah.
Something with ocean. I remember.
And honestly,
seeing.
I like the one at Disney World a little bit more. It smells a little better, but these are nice too.
Yeah, these are nice. So you get everything. They also give you like a thing of facial soap and then a separate one for body soap. So normally you just get one thing of soap, but they give you two different ones. So yeah, that's the bathroom.
Take you guys into the main room.
Yeah, this is the closet. So you get extra pillow blanket, and then extra towels as well. And then of course, your safe and your ironing board and some hangers.
The safe is a little tight because it's vertical mount, so you don't have too much space inside.
This is what you're looking at.
Yeah. But
So you have to limit what really is valuable.
Yeah, I couldn't fit too much in there.
But this is nice, so it automatically turns the light on, and then when you close this, it turns off the light automatically.
Right, yeah.
And then you get your full body mirror here. And then this is the coffee station. So you have your ice bucket. They have Joffrey? Is that
Joffrey's coffee?
Yeah, so this is the Disney coffee. So
yeah, same kind of coffee they serve over at Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
Or Disney World.
Yeah, and then you get the Keurig machine here. And then
we have the 2 queen bed room.
queens.
They do have an option for king bed, or 1 king bed, but we have the 2 queen beds.
And then this is going to be the entertainment center here. So you have some drawers here, and then this is your fridge.
Refrigerator.
Yeah. It's pretty roomy.
Yeah, we got some drinks, stored those in there.
Yeah, we had some drinks. We just cleared it out. And then this is like one of my favorite parts. So this is, your little hangout section, but You can actually buy this lamp at the store. At the gift shop is $300.
$300.
And I'm actually tempted, but we're like, how do we take it back? Because our suitcase is already full.
Yeah. It's a little large to travel
Can
back
we
with.
ship it home?
Possibly.
And then, of course, the biggest thing.
This is what you're paying for.
This is, yeah.
Beautiful views. Heavy duty doors to keep the sound down, but if you take a step out. So we've actually been spending a lot of time out here.
Yeah. I know he's saying, like, if we had our other room, we probably would not be spending nearly as much time.
Yeah, the other room, the view would have just been, it would have still been okay. It's still Hawaii, but it would have been facing inland towards the mountain, so not quite as.
I think, yeah, like I was saying, like, no matter where you stay here, like, every single room, it looks like they have a balcony, so you'll always have a view of something. Like, you can always just go out into your balcony and...
But this view's been great, and it's been nice hanging out here. We just have our drinks out here, listening to the Hawaiian music down there at the Olelo Room.
Oh, yeah.
And then there's a restaurant, Makahiki, right there, down below. And then the koi ponds, lazy river, and then the kids area. There's the slides up there in the volcano. Obviously the Kolina Lagoon out there. Beautiful ocean view. Great views all around.
Yeah.
Awesome place to hang out.
Yeah, this is great. I'm glad we went here. I think I'm ready to, leave the Disney bubble and explore Hawaii.
Absolutely. Yeah, this totally agree. This has been great, but it is time to explore and get the real authentic Hawaiian experience by starting off with some authentic Hawaiian food at Helena's.
Yes.
All right, so time to check out and get on the road.
And we'll see you on our next part of our adventure.
The windward side of the island. Mahalo.
Mahalo.